Does this look like you on the weekends when you're trying to mow your lawn because of a bad carburetor? Well, stay tuned to this video and we will show you how to replace your carburetor here on Astro Auto Repairs.
This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero-tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com.
Welcome to another episode of Astro Repairs.
Can you dig it?
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 Alright guys, check it out. Here we go. We got a Troy-Bilt mower, but the mower is not the thing. The engine is the thing. The engine is a Honda. So if you got a Honda, actually pretty much all carburetors are going to be exactly the same. Now, this is how we're going to let you know how to change it. First of all, you see this junk right here? This stuff is, you can see I had this for like 5 years. And what you're supposed to do is put this into the gas, and it keeps the gas from going stale for up to a year. Because stale gas, it what messes up your carburetor. As you can see, guys, we don't use this. I think I used this like 1 or 2 times, and then it's to the side. Look at it, it got dust sitting on it and all. So, looks like I gotta pay for it. I gotta change the carburetor. Alright, first of all, you find out the model number on your lawnmower, and our model number was up here. Luckily, we just looked up Troy-Bilt with the Honda engine. Sylvia was able to find it out. We went to Amazon.
You gave me a picture of a sticker you got from the engine.
Oh, let's turn this around a little bit. Here we go. Right back here. I gave her this picture right here. So that's our model number, the one that we're doing.
So the model number for this engine is GCV 160.
Alright, the first thing you want to do is get you a nice flat screwdriver. Why? Because you got to go on the other side of the carburetor. You got to come over here, and any kind of big bug like that,
Ew.
you got to get the bug out, because the bug is not going to be there.
That's just nasty.
And you got to flip it. That thing, hit the thing.
Gross.
Get it out of there. Alright, let's turn our mower back around. Alright, and let's get this carburetor off. Oh yeah. We went to Amazon, got a kit. The kit was $30. Why go out and spend another $200 something on a lawnmower? You go to Amazon, get the kit. And this kit comes with, check this out, a new casing, because this got all messed up and I had dirt sucked all in there. Because you know us guys, once we lose it, that's it. It's gone. So we got a new case with an air filter.
Sorry.
We got this, which is...
Maybe different ones have different filters. I think
Oh, it
this
goes
was
right here, something.
it went like this.
Oh, one like this? Looks like it fits. I don't know. Whatever. Yeah, we good. We'll figure it out. And then we got our new carburetor. Let's open this up. And did I tell them the price? This whole kit, $30. That's right. Look at that. Brand spanking new. New fuel filter. Brand new
Fuel line.
Oh yeah, check that out. New fuel line and everything. Let's open this up. Look at that, guys. Brand new carburetor. We're about to cut some serious grass. Alright, let's go. Let's check it out.
You gonna cut gas?
Yeah. Alright, the first thing you want to do is shut your fuel line off. Here's your little nozzle right here. If it's facing like this, that means it's on. That means this gas is going through. So what you got to do is turn it just up and down. That's going to stop all the gas. The next thing we're going to do is, here's our fuel line right here. And it's got a little clamp on it. And what we're going to do is just take our flat screwdriver, pull all that off. You're going to get some gas coming out of there. If you want, If you do, you want to take some old rags or something, stick it down there like that. Pull that off. Hey, also, while I'm doing this, hey, what the heck this thing keep on moving for? While I'm doing this, check out Kuda's channel. Kuda be up there fixing some mowers too. There we go. Look at that. And let's see. Watch this. Once we cut it on, look at that. See that gas come through this? So we know this is good. Our gas is going through. The next thing we're going to do is take us a 10mm deep on our cordless drill. And you're going to remove these two bolts right here. 1, 2. Now I never did this before, so you going along this with me for the first time also. So let's see here. Let's take our bolts out. And you look around here. Let's turn this to the side. Take this bolt out. Let's take our, can we take our cover off? No, we can't because our cover is held on by this hose right here. So we're going to unhook this hose. And this hose is kind of tight. So what I'm going to do is take my flat screwdriver. And I'm going to mangle the hose up and everything because I ain't care. Dang it, man. Come on. What the heck? How's this new one? This one got a... Yeah, so that thing should come right off. No problem.
Oh, I see the problem.
What?
You have to go up here. You had your screwdriver in the wrong spot.
Dang. That just sucked. Alright, check it out. We're good. Sylvia helped us out. We're good. That's my sidekick.
Yeah.
Alright, check it out. Let's see what we got here. We got a spring right here. You know what? Let's get some carburetor cleaner. Get some rags up here and clean this off so we can see everything. And we got a gasket.
Why? That's the old one.
Yeah, but I want to see where that spring is on. Make sure we hook that up.
I see.
And we gotta make sure.
No.
Yeah, we gotta make sure we hook all. Yeah, that goes just like that. Okay. So let me get some carburetor cleaner. We'll be right back. All right, put some rags up under there. Got our carburetor cleaner. Dang, still kind of dirty and all. All right, we can see it though. Okay, we got a spring right in there. Let's get that. And this spring is going around this rod. So what we want to do is unhook the spring. Turn the carburetor a little bit. Alright, put that down to the side. Now, we got to flip the carburetor sideways. And then it comes off that rod right there. Now what we're going to do before, we want to make sure there's no other hole. Yep, there it is. See, we got to make sure that the spring goes in the outer hole and the rod goes into the inner one. Bring it out. Bam, look at that. Done. Let's put this down. Let's go over here and check out our new one. Alright, look at that. Now we got another gasket. Alright, I see one gasket.
I think they're together.
Okay. Sylvia's on the ball with this. You want to do this?
No.
Why? Want me to record?
You're doing fine.
Okay.
I'll let you know if you mess up.
Okay. Let's go. Got two gaskets here.
3 gaskets.
3? Why the heck we got 3 gaskets? Oh, wait a minute. Is there a plate behind there? Is that a plate? Dang it, man. I got to sit here and figure stuff out now. I got to take this off. This thing. Yeah, there's a... Forget it. That's good. The gasket's good, right? I can leave it on.
Yeah.
Yeah, good?
That's good.
Okay, so we'll just go with this one over here. Let's see. And we got to make sure this gasket lines up to what we need.
How do you know it's that one, not the other one?
Okay, it looks like it lines up just like that. Yeah. Make sure.
No.
Just like that, right?
Yeah.
That's good. And how I know it's not this one?
Yeah.
Well, this one I know because we got this one over here.
It looks just like
Yeah. And this one, that one over there goes in back of there, which we can take it off when we pop that off. But that gasket is good because this thing is still.
It's good.
All right, okay.
Good.
All right, so let's get this on there. First of all, what we're gonna do, we're gonna get us one paper towel here. We're gonna wipe this off, get this nice and clean.
Why would you remove that?
Well, I guess it would usually come apart.
Is that a carburetor mounting plate?
That's exactly what it is. All right, before we do that, let's hook our fuel line on. Hook our fuel line on there. Squeeze our clamp in. Let's bring this clamp back some. Put the holes on there. Let's put our clamp on it. I'm gonna face my clamp downward. I don't want it facing upward. Well, I guess we can. I don't know what that. Whatever. All right, let's hook this. Let's hook this on. Hook our rod right here. Our throttle rod. We know this goes on the inner one. Bam. Now let's hook our spring on. Bam. Bring it up. All right, let's keep it just like that. Okay, we got our first gasket, and let's see, make sure we got this gasket on like it was supposed to last time. There we go, right there. Well, we can't put that on yet. We know that goes right there, because what we got to do now is we got to put all this on as an assembly. So let's get our piece right here, and that goes just like this. And then we're going to get our 2 screws. Why does that look like that? Why are they different? Because you notice these screws go down in there. That one don't. So you know what we're gonna have to do? Wait a minute. Did those do they come off? No, they don't. So what we're gonna have to do here is see if we can push and knock these, unless that, 'cause they didn't come with no new bolts. These rings right here. Gonna see if we can. Huh? No, I'm not sure. The only thing I know, if those wasn't there, this bolt will go in all the way.
Maybe it's a new style. I don't know.
See, it's gotta go. It's gotta come out of there. You know, that's what we get for buying stuff from Amazon.
Don't blame Amazon.
All right, guys. What I'm gonna do? Check this out. Let's bring this over here, and I'm gonna get me a punch.
It's the wrong one.
No, it ain't the wrong one. I'm gonna get a punch. Oh, we're gonna knock those out of there, because I don't need them in there. Be right back. All right, guys. I got this thing on my press, and as you can see, I pressed it out a little bit. I wanted to make sure this worked, because I didn't want to look like a fool on camera. So I had to make sure this worked, make me look good. And I pressed that out just a little bit. I got a 7/16 socket up under there so it can brace. And what I do is got my punch here. Put this right here. And then tighten up this jack. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Wait a minute. Yeah, buddy. All right. Go over here. Throw that out. That's good. What is that? Look at that. Oh, just settled in there. I don't know if those rubber rings or something. So now, let's get our second one set up. I should have used a deep socket so I can get up on there. But you know what? I'll tell you what. Let's see. Oops. It'd be nice if I let this up. Okay. And what I'm going to do here is put this right here so it can be lined up right there. Okay. Then I'm going to put this over it. It should be right about there. I don't know, right there. All right. Can't say nothing bad about Amazon. Sylvia yell at me. All right, let's push this one in. Look at that. Bam. Done. All right, let's go back outside and get this thing on. We'll be right back. All right, we're back over here. Let's grab us a bolt. Yeah, check that out. That's perfect. Oh, what am I doing? Let's leave them in there. All right, now we got this gasket right here. And this is the new one over here. What we're gonna do is match it up to this one. Make sure everything lined up, the holes lined up, great. So we're gonna put that one on
first.
first.
The other way. You didn't do it the other way.
Don't have to. See a little hole right there?
Oh, okay.
You see?
I was just curious. I didn't know.
All right. So we put that one up there. That's good to go. Next thing we're gonna do is put the carburetor onto there. Bam. Now for the last gasket, let's make sure we got this on. Oh yeah, that's right. Look at that. That's perfect.
So why does that one have a little hole? What's the little hole for?
Oh yeah, no, it ain't. For.
There's a hole right here.
It is. But if we put it right there, it won't line up. And then, see, it's all off.
It's upside down.
Oh, wait a minute. Look at. I guess it was whatever was right there.
What?
See, but you know, okay, you know it won't go there. Oh yeah,
because it's upside down.
All right. Here. Look at that. See, now it's not off on. It's not centered there.
All right.
So we know that ain't the one. So we know we go to the other side.
Okay.
So now let's go this way because this is the wrong way. And see how it's open up here.
Okay.
So we know it ain't that way.
Right.
So then we put it on that way.
Okay.
Look at that. Now, while we're over here, let's take this big hose and hook that back on. Then Sylvia had me using a screwdriver on plastic.
Yep.
Put that on like that. Make sure, what's this?
That's for your choke.
It ain't going away. Alright, so let's get this bolted in there. Oh, look at that. It came off, but the gasket's still good.
Well, since it came off.
It's just difficult for me. Alright, let's pop that. Let's take that gasket off. And what I'm going to do here is get a rag or something so we can clean that off. And if the gasket broke or anything coming off of there, you want to make sure you check that out and scrape that off. Get a scraper or something, but it's good. All right. Now, you should look at how that gasket came off. Because now it's got, let's go around this way. Okay, if we go this way, that looks good. All right, that looks about right.
Sure.
Yeah, say sure. Tell you what, to be sure, let's take this off. All right, let's look at it like this. So we put it like that. That lines up. We put it like that. That don't line up, so we know it's like that. So it's either gonna be like that, or it's gonna be like that. That one, or both of them the same. Yeah, we're good either way, right?
Sure.
This one right here was like this. Did it break when I? So it had to be down here. This side is over to this side. That goes in here. So that one, yeah, we just got it right. Cool.
I don't know what he said.
They know what I'm saying. They say, Tim is smart, man. How did he be figuring this stuff out? That's why he's Astro and Sylvia's the sidekick. Notice how she ain't saying nothing, right? Alright, put that up there like that. Let's get this all lined up. Alright, take my 10mm and I'm going to slowly go in because that's going into aluminum. So I want to make sure Yeah. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. Look at that. Now we go over here to our fuel line. This fuel line is kind of long. So you know what we might do? We might cut that. Where's our old fuel line at? Here it is. Pull that fuel line off. Let's match it up. Cut right about there. So let me go get a razor blade and cut this off right about here. And before I do, let's bring that back there. Be right back. All right, cut a little piece off. Throw it away. Let's get our hose hooked up there. Yeah. Squeeze our clamp together. Bring our clamp forward. We are good to go. Now, this piece right here. We have
a filter.
This filter. Hey, wait a minute. You know what? This has got a. They gave us a new fuel filter.
Yeah.
But we don't have one. Huh. What do you know about that? There should be a fuel filter right in line with there. I ain't putting that. Alright, so let's see here. We got our air filter. Nope. It goes this way.
How do you know?
Go ahead.
Go ahead and what?
Put it together.
No? I just want to know how you know that's how it goes.
Because putting it this way, it won't go in there.
I see.
So it goes that way. And I have no idea.
Maybe that one goes in the back.
What back?
The back of that one.
In the back of this? Yeah. I guess we can use either one. That looks like.
Well, my vacuum cleaner has two.
Just like that?
Mm-hmm.
Forget that.
Maybe it goes in the front.
This is the DIY style.
No, this is the man style. Because I use both in my vacuum cleaner.
This is the DIYer style.
It goes in the
Let's bring
front.
this over here like this. Snap that into place. We are good, huh?
That one goes in the front.
In the front of what?
In front of that filter.
Oh well. It's good. It's good, right guys? Yeah. Alright. Let's cut our gas on. Let that gas be flowing. Dang it. Be flowing through there. And we'll be right back. Alright guys, let's get this thing down.
You gonna take it to the grass or?
I'm gonna cut the concrete.
Oh.
I'm gonna put it on number 1 and cut the concrete. But first thing we gotta do, we gotta come over here. This side. Alright, and we gotta make sure we cut the gas back on. So that get that gas flowing through there. Alright, let's go out to the thing. Ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Soap on.
Oh, wait. Again. Well, there you have it. That's how you replace the carburetor on a Troy-Bilt push mower. If you guys have any comments or questions, you can post it below in the comments section, or you can email Timmy at tim@astralautorepairs.com. Hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is Sylvia from Astral Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. See you next time.